What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having an awesome day out there. But today we're going to be going back to shoe reviews. And the shoe that we're going to be doing reviews on is the Nike Air Max 90. By Nike Air Max 90, I mean these bad boys right here. So these are actually very popular, very iconic shoe. And I wanted to take the liberty to actually present those to you today. The link for these shoes are going to be in the description below if you're interested in getting yourself a pair. Those are the most comfortable pairs of shoes that you can get your hands on as far as Nike Air Max are concerned. There are the Air Max 1s, there's the Air Max 95, there's the Air Max 90, and there's a few other Air Max as well. But those are the most popular ones from the 90s that are out there. These shoes are super iconic. We're gonna go into the unveiling of it, the boxes. I got these shoes about a year ago to be exact, and they were about 120. I believe they were $120 according to the box. Let me check again. Yeah, $120 for these shoes. But now obviously the price has gone up with inflation and stuff of that nature. So the link that I have in the description below, the price will be a little bit higher than $120. That's actually listed on my box there. But you'll understand why. It's great quality shoe. Definitely a buy. And we're gonna get into the full review of the shoe right now. Let's get into it. Here we go, guys. I'm back. This is the shoe in its box. As you can see, Air Max 90. All my stuff is authentic. Barcode, QR code, suggested price is of 120 bucks. And these, you can actually get them exact size. If you're a size 10, get a size 10, and 9, get a size 9, name it. You don't have to go a half size up. Obviously, European sizes are at the bottom of the box. So that's how authentic these shoes are, to say the least. So now we're going to get into the unboxing of the shoe in itself. And ta-da, that's the shoe. I've worn it a couple times. I got the lime green, black, and gray edition. As you can see there, these are super iconic. I got them with the plaque, with the Nike plaque to match. Of course, with the Air Max logo on the side, gray swoosh, green lace holders. Super cool shoe. And the mesh front right there. You can't really go wrong with that. And this whole part right here, the whole toe box, all the way to the side is suede. Super comfortable shoe. It also has black lace holders at the top as well. And this is leather right here, black leather and on the side. So it's suede and leather and fabric. So it's actually a super comfortable shoe. Wait till later when you see the on-foot review of it. And that's how the back looks with the Nike Air sign. Big old patch in the back with the leather conjoining in the back along with the fabric. Can't really go wrong with it. The sole of the shoe is complete foam, and obviously the Air Max bubbles right here. Nothing pop, everything's perfect. That's actually the bottom of the shoe. As you see, I wore it a few times. And I always make sure I take care of my shoes by washing them. FZ150 is the product I use to take care of my shoes and my laces. I'll be sure to leave the link of that in the description below as well if I can find it. If you need a shoe cleaner that actually can clean up your shoes perfectly. But this actually gets dirty very easily, the mesh part in the front right here. So to upkeep with the shoe, you definitely have to wash it and take care of it. Also, the laces are white. Those get dirty pretty easily as well. And on the tongue, it just says Nike Air Max right there on the outside. And on the inside, it actually has the same QR code that's on the box, along with all the sizing info and the model number of the shoe and all the necessary stuff that's in there. These are made in Indonesia, not China. Sorry, these are made in Indonesia, not China. Just to say a few, and that's how the tongue looks. But now we're gonna get inside with the sole of the shoe. As you can see, I haven't worn it enough where the Nike signs get worn off of it. And all of this is perfectly spongy and fabric. It's perfectly cushioned for your foot. These are actually a very, very comfortable, very iconic shoe. I definitely recommend you getting a pair of these. And when you buy these shoes actually come with this anatomical arch support. It actually comes with a pair of them, to be exact. Me, I don't have any arch support issues, so therefore I didn't bother using it. And pretty much what you do is place this inside the sole of the shoe. It tells you which shoe to put it in. It's this one's for the left shoe, if you could see here, and this one's for the right shoe. And all you do is put a piece of tape that's actually on the bag. You put that piece right in here and you unstick it and you stick it there and you put it inside the shoe, and you'll be able to get the support that you need for your arch, to say the least. I didn't see the need for that because I don't have any arch support problem with my foot. But for those who have arch support issues, that's just a way you could actually fix that problem. And you could buy these and definitely have those inside your shoes to support your foot. But yeah, that's definitely a good way to actually help you with foot problems. If you're having foot problems as far as your arch is concerned, or if you have plantar fasciitis, anything of that nature. So that actually comes in great, help, to say the least. And I believe they have different sizes. This one's large, there's medium, there's small. So that's how cool these are. And yeah, they are being medium, small, extra large, and double extra large as well, according to this. So that's the size charging on these. But that's pretty much that in regards to arch support is concerned. Let's continue on with the video. And like I said, the link will be in the description below as well. And if you're interested in getting your custom made one, I have a custom made Nike Air Max 90 video coming after this one. I'll also leave the link in the description for that one as well. Don't hesitate to comment if you have any questions on where you can get custom made shoes made cheap. Feel free to hit me up in the comments below. Don't hesitate to like as well. So that's pretty much the shoe in a nutshell when it comes to the Air Max 90. Let me actually take the other one out as well and showcase both of them to you guys. That's the back. That's the front of it. And here we go. That's the front of the shoe. Look at how cool these look. And the on foot review part is coming. Hey guys, this is the on foot version of the Air Max 90, Nike Air Max 90 on foot review. That's the inside of the shoe. The outside, I'm wearing it with the Nike, big old Nike logo tag on it. That's the front. The bottom. That's the side. It's the inside of the shoe in itself. Can't really go wrong with these. Super comfortable. Wiggle my toes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So you guys can see. And last but not least, that's the back of the shoe in itself. With the big old Nike sign. Don't hesitate to comment, like, and subscribe as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day, guys. Peace.